What is a life cycle? The life cycle refers to the series of changes or stages that an organism goes through during its existence. It includes birth or germination, growth, reproduction, and eventually death. In the context of plants, the life cycle includes seed formation, germination, seedling, and growth into a mature plant. In order for plants to grow and survive, they also have some needs. They need light, water, and nutrients. Number 1 is light. All plants require light for photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process in which green plants use sunlight to make their own food. Different plants have varying light requirements, so choose the right spot for each plant. Number 2 is water. Water makes up a significant portion of plants' tissues. Proper watering is crucial for healthy growth. Last is nutrients. Plants need nutrients to survive. Nutrients fuel essential functions from root growth to flowering and fruit production. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of plants. It starts with a seed, next is germination, followed by a seedling, and the last is a mature plant. Seed stage. The life cycle begins with a seed. Inside the seed coat, there's a tiny plant embryo waiting to grow. When the seed is planted in the soil, it absorbs water. Adequate warmth and oxygen trigger germination. The seed coat splits open and the radicle or tiny root emerges. Germination. The seed sprouts. It sends out a little root called a radicle that serves as its anchor. The shoot grows up in the sunlight. It's like the plant saying, "Hello world." The first root begins to grow downward. There are few tiny hairs on the roots which absorb water and minerals from the soil. Seedling. The seedling stage begins when the young plant emerges from the soil. At this point, it starts to develop its first true leaves and becomes capable of photosynthesis. Seedlings are typically fragile and require favorable conditions to thrive. Maturation or an adult plant. This stage marks the full development of the plant, where it reaches its reproductive maturity and is capable of producing flowers, fruits, or cones depending on the plant species. At this point, the plant is usually capable of sustaining itself through photosynthesis and can reproduce to create new generations of plants.